It's cracked. Oh my god. No. Knee down. Oh, he's gonna come. He's gonna come and he's gonna stalk us. Is he there already? Oh! He's there. Ah! Help. No! No, 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 no. Oh. As well, it's not safe. I'm leaving. I'm just gonna drop it. No! Damn it. I shouldn't have done it. I shouldn't have done it. GG's, Grisky. Anon Ghoste. You did it again, Crit. Run, Kate, run! Nice! Oh, unlucky, that's tough. Alright. Hopefully Crit can get Hatch. Oh. Oh, he's got you 99 for sure. Do it, stare at him. Oh my god, he's so cute. It must be in there. Uh-oh. Oh my god! Mama Onyx! How are you? I've missed your little kitties popping into my chat. Hi, bestie. Welcome back, bestie. Come on in, bestie. Oh, I can sneeze. Ah! I'm alright. How you been? I've been good. I've been good. Lots of gaming. The usual. But yeah, the games have been good. I can't really complain too much. We got rolled by this ghost face, and he's so cute. He's got so much personality. Yay, it's Reaper! Oh my god, hi Reaper. How are you? Hello? Is that Bestie? Hi Bestie. Where the heck is the hatch? Oh my gosh, Reba, do you want to come play a game? Some games? All the games? Any games? Where the heck is the hatch? You're well, thanks. Oh, that's good. How is work? Uh-oh, Evie, that's my hat. You can't eat that. Come here. Come here. Should I let you outside, baby? Give me time to cook and eat lunch. Just got home from work. Oh my god, yes. Of course, of course, of course. You have a little gremlin to feed. Yes, you better do that. You'll get in trouble. My little gremlin's being a gremlin too. Hi, baby. I love you. Yeah. Where's the hatch? Has anyone found it yet? Evie treats. Hey, baby. I mean, I don't have the camera on. We'll see if she wants to cooperate. Yes, sit. Good girl. Want this? This is from Set. Yeah. There you go. Maybe I should make her a Kong. There you go. There we go, the hatch. Hi, Tabby. How are you? You're too sleepy for this shit? What happened? You just woke up? Oh, did you have a big night? What was stupid? Hi, baby. I love you. Mwah. Yes. No, I'm just a sleepy motherfucker. Do you drink coffee? Crit, what was stupid? The hatch? Let me show you what I'm dealing with in game. Oh, your stretch res, you mean? Evie. That's Mum's bed. Why are you on my bed, girl? Why are you on my bed? Alright, let me see this. Whoa. Whoa, the generator looks massive. Whoa, that's weird, Crit. I'm breathing on his neck. It's so annoying. Oh my god, Reaper, we're getting married. I don't know how Joel and Sophie are gonna feel about that, but it's okay. We won't tell anybody. Bestie. I just bought an entire whole $70 watermelon and I ate a quarter, then forgot about it. Oh my god, no, you forgot about it? Oh no.